There, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second Sudoku puzzle in today's additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, November the 15th, 2021, and in this additional we have three puzzles to go. Well, the first one I have solved. Then I will do the binary puzzle and then the tectonic one. Three puzzles, 3 out of 6. But first I will solve this baby number. Let me see which number it will be. 3687. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Then. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Well, let me see. Yes, this column and that column. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be no, there should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Well, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Oh, we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's, of course. Here we have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Compare again. Double 1. This column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, November the 15th. See you then. Bye bye.